Hello guys, as pertaining to the class we were doing today about the SADP tools, like I said, SADP tools is used for resetting HIKVISION products, especially for the IP products. It's used for resetting the password. Then it's used for assigning static IP. Also, if there is a static IP on a camera and probably you don't know the password, you want to enable DHCP on the camera or DVR or any other HIKVISION product, we use the SADP tools to execute that. So to execute it is, first you have to connect the device you want to reset or you want to work on. You have to connect it directly to your computer, or you have to connect it to a router, and then your computer have to be on the same network as the product you connect to your router. So I'm going to be resetting first an IP camera. As you can see from my screen, I've already opened the HIKVISION SADP tools. So to see the product that is connected to my router here, I have to be connected to my router network. And my router network is the SR Technologies. Connect, and I have to be connected to it. So it's already connected to my SR Technologies router network. Immediately you see the cameras that is on the network will appear right here. So I will enable the toolbar, and then I will click on the camera here. I'll click on the camera to highlight it. So when I click on the camera, you see all the information about the camera here is already highlighted. The camera's serial number, the camera's current IP address, and the router gateway, the gateway address of the router, and other things. So right now, let's assume I don't know the camera password. I put some password on it here and I click modify. It will tell me that the password I'm entering is correct, is incorrect rather. So for instance, I click 00 4 times and I click modify. It will tell me wrong password, and even the DHCP is not enabled. So if I click DHCP to enable the DHCP on this camera that is connected to the network, I click modify, I will still have to input the administrator password, for which we are assuming we don't know it. So it's not going. So to reset the password is not something easy. Like, first your SADP tools have to see whatever you want to reset, and then you have to highlight it, because if you don't highlight what you want to reset, this one on the right, this toolbar on the right will not be highlighted. You will not be able to work in anything on here. So you first have to select the product that you want to work on. So assuming that I don't know the password for this, I will click forgot password. When I click forgot password, it will open another screen. You will see step 1, click export to download the key request file, which is XML and some other things. So according to the instruction on the screen here, I will first have to export some file, and to export the file, once I select it, that file will be exported. So I will have to check for a location to export the file to. So I click on my desktop, I selected a new file. Now say reset file, password reset file. So I will have to select this folder, and then I will have to select this folder, and the file has been exported to it. So to see that folder, I will have to minimize this. Then I will have to check on my desktop password reset. So I open password reset file. This is the file that I was exported. So the next step is, what are we going to do with this file that was exported? You go on the internet, you search for HIKVISION ticketing. So now I don't have an internet connected to this my computer. I will have to pause this video, and then I will have to connect an internet to my computer and resume the video. So the video is on resume now. I have an internet connection on my computer. I search for HIKVISION ticketing. I will click yes, submit a ticket. So the key here is first to get hold of the administrative password, and all other things we can use to reset it via the SADP tools. So to reset it, submit ticket, I will choose ticket tab, which is a password reset request. It asks me a subject, I say password reset. Then it asks me for my email. So the email here is they are going to send you a file to reset this camera administrative password, or if you are resetting an NVR or DVR, they are going to send a file to your email, and your email should be an active email. So this is my email. Then they are asking me for the model number, the camera model number, or any other device that you are to reset. It will ask you for the model number. So how do you get that model number? Is very easy. You can get the model number via the SADP tools. So getting the model number from this one is like so getting the model number from this one is like, you come on here, you see device tab, which is the DS2CD1321 -R. You will see it here, and you will see it to the serial number tab. So I'm coming to highlight it from here, or better still, you can tap this in device tab number. You can tap it where you see a model number. Getting the model number is very easy. I have to input my name, which is Isaiah, and then I'll paste it, which is DS-2CD123 -I. I'm an installer. So the account I created for you previously is most advisable to use that password. Description, I will say, please help me reset the password urgently for a client. So because I'm an installer, I'm telling them for a client. They asked me to attach a file. So the file I previously saved on the SADP tools, that one I'm going to use. That file is saved on the desktop. It's here in the password reset file. Is this, and I'll open it and click I am not a robot. Then they will ask me to do some verifications here, like select all images with crosswalk. Select all images with crosswalk, and then it's correct. Now I can submit the ticket. So the ticket has been submitted. The next thing is to open my Gmail to check out HIKVISION. Send me the password reset file. The process is a bit tricky, and it's a bit tricky and probably complicated to explain and all that stuff. So I'm waiting for the reset file, if they have sent me the reset file. So I will pause the video and then wait a while and see if they will send me the reset file. It will take like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so they have sent me the reset file. As you can see, HIKVISION technical. I'm opening the reset file, and there they have sent me the file. This is the file that I need to download, which is the reset file is in zip form. I'll download it. It has downloaded. It's in mine. So this is the file. I'm going to rename the file so things can be very easy for me to reset cameras. I'll unzip the folder. Extract file. So this is the file I'm going to use to reset. The next thing to do is about to disconnect my internet, then I connect to the same network where I have the HIKVISION product connected to. So this is the network. It's the SR Technologies network. I have the HIKVISION. So I'm now connected to the SR Technologies network. I will go back and open my HIKVISION SADP tools. I will refresh and select the same product. Then I come to forget password. This time around, instead of taking the export, I'm going to click on import file. I search for it. So the file HIKVISION sent me that I downloaded is the file that I'm going to import. This is it. I'm going to import this file. After importing the file, they will ask me to create new password. So the new password I'm going to create is going to be something like K 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 at. So it's going to be like capital R, small k, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 at. So when I confirm this, it send me that password reset succeeded. So now if I enable DHCP here, and then I come to the administrative password, which is RK 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 at, it should be able to reset. It should be able to accept it. So now it's telling me that parameter modification is complete. So I have now enabled DHCP on this camera. I can disable it. If I'm disabling it, it's going to ask me to input the password again, and the password is already there. It's a parameters reset modification completed. So it's very simple. Like the process I will explain it all over. You will first have to connect to the same network. You go to the SADP tools, you highlight the product for which you want to get the password for, and then you click forget password. You export the file, then you go to HIKVISION ticket start, HIKVISION ticketing portal. You click submit or ticket. They are going to ask you, before you submit a ticket, you should be connected to the internet, and they are going to send the file right back to your Gmail. You download it, you use the file in the SADP tools to reset the product password. When you get the product password from the SADP tools, you can literally do anything you want to do with that product. You can do anything you want to do with the product. So that's the video. I'm going to make new one, another one with the DVR. So this one is a camera, and this is the product stuff. I'll enable DHCP back on it, and then I'll modify. So it's done.